on their ballista first marksman, you're just getting fucking raped there, man. You're just tanking the whole damage. Shaper, enemy has a shaper. Ready defenses up front. Get ready to headbutt, boys. Get ready to headbutt. Ready frontline demons, okay? Ready engage demons, I mean. Yeah, WPZ is the one calling. Everyone on gate 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gate. Come back. Careful frontline. Yeah, there's a shaper. Call out the range bomb. They have a range bomb. Careful. Where's the range bomb? Careful frontline. Hey, listen, we're gonna do...
I say coming.
Yo, careful shaper.
Up to the
Shaper north side, okay. They have 2 shapers, okay. Yo, listen, later DPS, we're gonna do an engage, okay. Just Miss Walker jacket and go in later. Miss Walker jacket, walk in. Tap the engage. Just Miss Walker jacket and walk in, okay. Then spread inside. We're gonna engage inside, okay. It's a fake. Get ready to headbutt. Oh.
Nakalar na to. WPZ.
WPZ is the one calling.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, everyone just hold first. Careful. Kill the guards first, shallow.
Shade Shaper.
Prince coming. Witchwork coming. Careful.
Witchwork coming, careful. Yo, listen, get ready,
No.
Heal up. Listen, on the gate shallow only. Wait. Can we get a pull? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the gate shallow only. Gate shallow only. Okay, come back. You spread outside. Your shaper coming in. Heal up. Spread. Heal frontline. Spread southeast side. Don't stick to the walls, guys. Shaper die? Okay, good. Yo, Marlika, my DPS ready your Miss Walker jacket, sorry. DPS ready with Miss Walker jackets. Defend shallow. Bomb coming. Heal up. Yo, get ready for next engage. Get ready to walk in. Wait, boys. Wait.
Middle Mitchwork bomb.
Oh, no. Listen. Jacket in. Just jacket in. Load northeast, West, southwest deep. On the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest deep on the gate. More damage. Now listen. Ready your cleric cows for defense, okay? Come back. Ready defenses. Defend inside. Full defend. Yo, cleric cowl, guys. Okay, full defend. Heal me inside, okay? Good. Heal up.
Buong left nila.
Yeah. They pop their clerics. They pop their fucking clerics, man. How did my people not pop their clerics at all? Yeah, listen, get ready. Marlika, wait. On the gate, get ready. On the gate, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, get. Come back. Careful frontline. Defend shallow. Defend, heal.
Middle
Good.
Mitchwork bomb. Sa middle.
Melee bomb coming. Heal up, Nutriban. Yo, healers, a lot of you guys are playing too far away, Yo, come east side. I think that's fuck all. Come east side. Come east side. Yo, I mark 2 of their colors. Yo, get ready. On the gate, shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gate shallow. Come back. Wow. There was no damage there. Yo, bomb coming. Yo, watch that bomb, please. BMS that bomb early. Kimpogi, don't fucking doubt that fucking bomb ever again. Everyone get ready. Healing, get ready. Yeah, everyone headbutt. 4, 3, 2, 1. Headbutt. Come back. Yo, siege bomb might come. Okay, careful. Heal up. How many percent is the gate?
Bomb coming.
Yo, bomb coming. Heal frontline. Siege bow. Yo, guys, siege bow. Hello. Yo, Balmas. Call out the siege bow. Careful west side also.
Gumanap eh.
Oh, do. Everyone, listen. Get ready to headbutt, okay? Yo, forceful swing the front, please, so that they don't smash the gate. BMS. Everyone, get ready. Wait. Yo, I'm gonna fake only. Southwest. Wait. Step up. Oh, do. Yo, get ready to headbutt, boys. On the gate, get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gate. Come back. Siege coming. Good. Heal up. Yo, listen. Defend shallow. Yeah, everyone get ready. Gate's about to break, okay? Yo, we're gonna engage shallow, then we're gonna come back inside gate. Listen. Everyone, southwest shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest shallow. Alright, come back. Yo, listen. Come back next gate. Yo, I'm gonna come back next gate first. I'm gonna come back next gate. Enter next gate. Ready defense on the choke. Careful. Yo, siege mode might engage. Stick to the wall northeast. I'm watching front line.
Sigaw bomb.
Siege bomb coming. Careful. Oh, no. Main engage gonna come soon, okay? Just wait. Yo, heal my north side. Heal fairy tail. Hold. Spread. Yo. Okay. You want me to let them smash other gate? I can. Yo, listen, everyone come south. Yeah. Come southeast. Come east. Yo, careful over the wall. Yo, listen, we play here. Later 6-0 bomb will fucking rotate around. Yo, one other bomb can also rotate, one other melee bomb can rotate with him, okay? Yo, okay. Yo, 6-0, tell me when you're fucking walking in, okay? I'm gonna walk in my whole zig inside of them, okay? Yo, Marlica, listen, my DPS especially, Miss Walker jacket going in, okay? Walk in, ready your defenses, clericals, potions, whatever, okay? You're gonna try to engage inside. We're just gonna try to counter engage, okay? Yo, careful. Yo, Roblox, be careful, Roblox. Why is Roblox outside?
Siege ko ba, mas?
Dito pa ako gagi.
Yo, siege bomb, careful. Siege bomb. Siege bomb. Demon. Good. Heal up. Yo, listen, get ready. Careful. By the way, no trash talks in the foot. Is my tank's getting kidnapped? Yeah, they're rotating other side. Liu Pai. They're going south side. I think they're going southeast. Whoa, why is he playing patiently against me? Can he get more aggressive so that we can fucking walk in? Everyone get ready. Look at southeast. Wait. Where are they?
Southeast.
Yo, careful over the wall.
At yung siege ko ba, man, nasa south?
Yo, listen, spread here. Spread.
Wait, siege ko ba?
Yo, once this gate break, that fucking siege bomb will probably engage deep. Defense shallow. Everyone ready? Headbutt southeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Headbutt southeast. Headbutt. Demon.
Siege ko north side.
Nagbubong sila north.
Yeah. Yo, listen. Get ready, Marlica. Yo, listen, on shallow, ready? Siege bomb. Full defense. Demon. On the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the gate. Come back. Ready defense on the gate. Help my front line. Okay, wait. Heal up. Yo, fuck, we're gonna engage here. Okay, wait. Careful front line. Yo, careful. They're going back. Step up. They don't engage. Step up, boys. Step up. Southeast shallow. Fuck. Call. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast shallow. Alright, wait. Come back. Tanks, hold them. Yo, nice bomb. Okay. Yo, wait. Yo, they're stepping up. Ready your clerics. Come back west side a bit. Ready clerics. We're gonna absorb one. Spread. Careful front line. Fucking looking front line. Okay. Wait. Hold on. Wait, boys. Wait. Get ready to headbutt. Wait. Headbutt. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Full headbutt.